Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of spicy cucumber and tofu delight. Let's jump right in. First up, dice the cucumber and give the firm tofu a quick 3-minute boil. Once done, set it aside. Now, let's whip up that flavor-packed sauce. Finally, chop some green onions, press that garlic with a handy garlic press, and tear those small red chilies by hand. Into the mix goes chili powder, ground cilantro, white sesame seeds, light soy sauce, vinegar, and oyster sauce. Heat up some oil until it sizzles, pour it into the mix, and give it a good stir. Drizzle this sensational sauce over the tofu and cucumber, give it a thorough mix, and voila! Your spicy cucumber and tofu delight is ready to be savored. Give this recipe a shot and share your thoughts with me. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.